everyone, my name is Brittany McLean. I'm the Environmental Coordinator with the City of Fredericton. The City of Fredericton wants to bring you a series of videos to help you start a backyard garden while we're all social isolating. So the very first thing you need to do when you're starting a garden is choose a place for it in your yard. You need to choose a place that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. So just watch for a couple of days and plan accordingly. The next thing you're going to need are some tools. So we need some very basic tools. The first one is a shovel to be able to break ground, turn over sod, break up clumps in soil, and move around any compost or amendments that you need. You'll also want a garden rake if you can get one. That will help you break up any clumps in the soil, and it will help you smooth out the top of your garden bed. You're also going to want a garden hoe. Again, that will help you break up any clumps of sod or soil, and you can use it to drag some lines in your soil when you're planting your seeds. If you're working in a small space, you may also want to grab some hand tools. I have a hand hoe and a hand trowel here that help me dig around in my small raised beds. You're also going to need soil, compost, and amendments. So if you're doing a raised bed, you're going to need topsoil. If you're doing your garden in ground, then you already have some soil. Either way, you'll need compost or some sort of composted sheep manure or cow manure. You can get that in bulk on Kijiji, or you can get it in bags at garden centers, and some garden centers have it in bulk as well. For amendments, usually to start out, you just need a little bit of lime. You can ask about that at a garden center and they'll direct you on how much you'll need. The last thing you're going to need is a source of water. So you're going to want to make sure that your garden is either close to a water source outdoors, that you can bring your hose over, you're close to your rain barrel, or you can bring a watering can over easily. Our next videos will be on creating either a raised bed or an in-ground garden, and we also have more resources online that will help you start your backyard garden. So I hope you'll visit us there and join us for the next videos. Thank you.